So there's a question about what textbook to buy for our course. This is spring of 2000, Fresno City College. So if we go to Instructure, SCCD Instructure, then we could drop into one of our classes. You'll drop into one of them. And some of my videos I made in previous semesters, so the numbers might be different. I had a question from a student, and the student, let me just get back to my home page, which is right there, dashboard. So these are the courses I have this semester, these numbers right here. So when I click on that, it brings me into the class, and I have the syllabus. You're going to have to buy my IT lab, and here's the course ID. And the best way to buy all the course materials, just copy that. That's for this one course. It's different. Like we're in this one. If you're in a different number, it'll be different for your class, so make sure you get the right number. And then what we do is we go into here. This is where you buy your course materials, cheapest place, my IT lab. So I just click that, and I click new student, right? So just right on that. And then, okay, register now. And then once I'm in here, I'm going to go, bam, paste in that course ID. And then I'm going to create a new account. And then I'll just put in an email example here and close. And this will be James Bond UK 007 or something. And this will be secret, I can't type. This will be SECRET service. There we go. And secret service. There we go. And James Bond. And security question is, what is your father's middle name? There we go. That's his middle name. And it looks like my password, I need one number and a capital. So I'll do S1, capital S1, whatever. Accept the terms, hit create account, and then boom, right here, you just buy it, $79. That's the one you buy. So that's what we need, Exploring 2016 with Technology in Action. When we look at the syllabus, we have Exploring 2016 with Technology in Action, 14th edition by Evan. So we're good to go. So you just buy that, and then once you've bought that, you go back to my IT lab, and inside you go to sign in, and then you sign in, and then your course will show up, and you go into your course, and once you're in your course, you have all the course materials, including a digital copy of the textbook. And so in here, I'm just going to show you that in 1 second. La 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 la, there's the course materials, and there's a digital copy of the e-textbook. All right, so that's how you do it. And we have all of our class lectures right here, class lecture playlist, so make sure you're watching that. That's where this video is going to be.